So girls, are you ready to explain what a compliment circle is?
Yeah.
Go for it.
So, a compliment circle is like you give each other compliments. You can either take a compliment or give a compliment. Like, Emma, I would like to give a compliment. And I would like to give Emma a compliment. I like your shirt. Thank you. I'd also like to give a compliment. I like how you say goodbye to me before you leave for school every morning. Thank you. This is what taking a compliment is, Cora. No, that's giving a compliment. I know, but I'm saying that what's going to happen next is what taking a compliment is. Okay, so this is taking a compliment. I'm feeling sad this morning. I would like to take a compliment. Raise your hand. Emma. I like how you get really crazy and silly when you're excited. Thank you.
And you do this every morning, Cora, or just some mornings?
Every morning.
And Emma, where did you learn about compliment circles?
Actually, when I was in lower L.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Do you girls like compliment circles?
Yes. Yes.
How does it make you feel?
Happy.
Yeah. Tell me about a backhanded compliment.
A backhanded compliment is like, let's say, Emma. Yeah. Wait, are you about to give me a backhanded compliment? Okay, I just want to be warned. Okay, I'm ready. So I like how big your feet are.
So a backhanded compliment is kind of an insult?
I don't understand. I like how big my feet are.
Have you asked for a backhanded compliment?
No. Well, let me try that again.
So you don't want any backhanded compliments in the compliment circle?
No.
Okay, good.
Okay, no, I'm still doing